Have you seen my squirrel?
If I get up to this fence and I hit X.
Well, let's just say there are no more squatters.
Okay.
More squatters.
Okay.
More squatters.
Okay.
More squatters.
Okay.
But what is your favorite quote from the game?
Mine is, you eat breasts. You eat... You eat babies.
You eat babies!